Good afternoon and welcome to Phoenix, Arizona. So if you're looking for an amazing neighborhood, I might have just found the cutest house that you just need to see. If you're in the market to buy, sell, upgrade, just check out some amazing homes in Phoenix. I'd love to help. Please make sure you like, subscribe, follow my channel. We're gonna take a look at this bad boy right here. It is under $800,000. It's a must-see, completely remodeled, 3-bedroom, 2-bath in this gorgeous neighborhood. Let's check it out. All right, well, good afternoon. So this is one of Phoenix's most historic neighborhoods with preserved architecture, beautiful landscaping, and an unbeatable great location. So nearby, you're going to have Encanto Park and Golf, GCU, and downtown Phoenix. We're close to Roosevelt Row, hospitals and museums, historic dining. This is just one of those areas that you definitely need to see. It's a pretty unique home. It's a corner lot. This lot right here is just over 7,000 square feet. And again, you are under $800,000 for this pretty preserved, pretty unique home that was built back in 1938. So downtown Phoenix has quite a few historic pockets. This one in particular is called Del Norte. And the homeowners did a great job. So it has a 2-car detached garage. Beautiful green grass. And again, you are centrally located to pretty much some of the coolest dining spots, parks, and lots of historic charm out here in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona. So as we take a tour on through, we're going to admire this home. It is 1,569 square feet. Taxes on this bad boy are pretty low. You're at $33.57 a year for taxes, and of course there's no HOA. This cute little property has this adorable farmer's porch on the front. And the whole house has this beautiful red brick exterior. So they did a great job with keeping some of the original pieces part of this home, including this beautiful wood door, gorgeous wood floors, the arches, so much original detail. We definitely have to take a walk on through. This home has some upgraded windows, which make a big difference in these historic homes. Any kind of upgrades you can do when it comes to windows, plumbing, electrical. When the house is a 1938 house, it's definitely a plus to buy those things already done. This little area right here would be your formal dining space. And then you do have your very large front family room right here. And the kitchen is cute. So it has these beautiful black and white floors, butcher block countertops, original cabinets, upgraded with some new hardware. So this beautiful stove right here, it's a gas stove. So if you're into cooking, you definitely want a gas stove, and you're lucky enough to get that in this neighborhood. So you have this beautiful kitchen, lots of cabinet space. And this is a move-in ready home. So it's not one you're gonna have to come in and do a lot to. The homeowners actually came in and did a great job. You have this little bar, hidden pantry area right here. And again, lots of character with these beautiful cabinets. We're gonna head on this way, and on this side of the house you're gonna have the bedrooms and bathrooms. So right here behind door number 1, you have this beautiful little laundry room set up. So you can put your washer and dryer in here, kind of like a utility closet, which is great. You have this linen closet right here. So some storage space. And we're going to enter bedroom number 1, which is a good sized bedroom. And again, they have the original wood floors throughout. And how cute is this? So you have a little desk set up. So that keeps that original appeal of these older homes. And that's the one thing, when you're buying a historic home, you still want the history of it, just some modern touches. And that's what the homeowners did here. They did a great job. Beautiful tub with the claw feet. Lots of natural light. So the home has some great light, great effects. You got a double sink right here. And we have another bedroom. So this is bedroom number 2. Again, they're pretty similar in size, except for this one. You do have a larger closet and entry to the outside. Get a nice walk-in in here. It's a pretty good space. Then as we come this way, you do have this beautiful master ensuite, which is a little larger bedroom. Again, it has its own entry, its own bathroom, walk-in closet. We're going to check out the bathroom first. They have this gorgeous stand-up shower. And they did the pretty brass accessories. And your sink right here. And again, this house is pretty move-in ready. They did a great job with updating it. Some modern lighting in here. And here's your walk-in closet. So you do get the storage space in this home, which is wonderful. Again, you're in a 1938 home. So storage and space is a little different than the modern homes. But this one, they do have a lot of extra cabinetry and storage, which makes it pretty nice and easy to live in. And hallways are great size. It's a pretty cute property. So this is our family room. We're going to head back this way so we can check out the yard. And again, this is a great corner lot, so you get a lot of privacy. Which definitely is wonderful to have. And this covered patio right here. So the lots of great size. And again, it's super private, seeing it's a corner. You do have this wonderful 2-car garage, detached. Again, storage, parking. It's all a definite plus when you're looking at these historic homes out here in Phoenix. And there's some real grass over here, which is nice. It warms up the backyard. And the house itself is in great shape. So if you're in the market to buy a home, you want something with a little bit more culture, a little bit more history, this could be the greatest house that I've showed you this week. So as we come back inside, we're going to take one more walk through, appreciate the beautiful appliances. Again, the homeowners did a great job with keeping the 1938 feel, with also adding the upgrades of all the new modern amenities that most home buyers are looking for nowadays. And as we exit, I just want to say thank you so much for taking a tour of this home. If you want more info on this particular property, you want to come see it in person, you want a virtual tour in person, or it's just a one-on-one or a one-on-one in person, or you just want to know what it would look like for you to purchase this home, please reach out, comment below, send me a DM. Thank you so much for taking this tour. Please feel free to share with family and friends if anyone you know is thinking of buying or selling in the Phoenix area. I'm always here to help. Have an awesome day.